Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a first impressions / reviews of this really cool face mask. At least it looks really cool, from Korea. So it's called I Do Care Sugar Kitten Hydrating Holographic Peel Off Mask. So I've never tried a peel off mask, or there's magnetic masks, charcoal masks, all these different masks. The only ones that I've ever done are the sheet masks. So I'm gonna go ahead, and I've never opened this before, so here we go. Okay, so the packaging is super cute. Okay, enough of that. Here is the little jar it comes in. It expires in 2020, so it's good for about a year. Okay, I'm super tired. Okay, so this is super cute packaging, like I said, and I got it from Ulta for about $22, $23. So I really hope it works. Let's try it out. Okay, you guys saw that. It smells like skincare, like fragrance. Does it have a fragrance? Oh, I love that. Ingredients are in Korean, love that. Yep, that's great. So we're just gonna guess and say it does, because it has this scent to it. This is really cool. I'm just excited to put this on. So I'm just gonna tie back my hair really quick. Okay, let's get started. So I don't even know. Let's read the directions. Oh, they're on the jar. Perfect. Okay, directions. Remove excess water after cleansing. Okay. Apply a generous and even layer to the skin with the brush. I don't have a brush. Did it come with a brush? Be right back. So I totally can't find this spatula. On Ulta.com it also says that it came with one, but I just don't know if maybe it fell out. Like, I'm not sure, but okay, so there's supposed to be a spatula with it. But I was able to find this little spatula that came with like my teeth whitening stuff that I don't use. I just put that stuff on my toothbrush, so I'm gonna use that today. But I actually was able to look up some of the ingredients in this product. So it has hyaluronic acid to moisturize your face. It has rose water to increase elasticity. And then it had, I think it said some sort of powders. Okay, so I did look back at that, and it says pearl and ruby powder to brighten your face. One ingredient that I saw this has is alcohol, which sometimes can be drying after you take it off, but let's give it a try. Okay. It's super, like, liquidy. Okay, let's just... Oh. Totally loving the color. Okay. I'm just gonna speed up the application process. Okay, so update, my face is feeling kind of tingly and super cold right now. So I will continue to speed up the rest, but just a little update. so the total application process took about 5 minutes, I would say, and I got it. It just says avoid eyebrows and hairline, so I didn't feel like going in here or anything like that, but I did get everywhere else. And I'm liking the reflectiveness. It's pretty cool, actually. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on my fan here. And I will see you guys after it dries. Hey guys, so it's been, oh, I feel like I can't speak. It has been about 25 minutes. So on the package, I didn't realize, I thought it would take like 5-10 minutes, but it says leave on and relax for 20 to 30 minutes. So I had no idea I would have to wait so long. Okay, well, my ring light is being super stupid, but I don't know why half of it's lit up, but anyways, so after 25 minutes, there are some wet spots. That just may be my fault. You know, there's like clumps and stuff. But overall, it's pretty dry. Oops. All right, so let's go ahead and try. Ooh, it leaves like a shimmer. Wipe that off, but let's go ahead and try and peel it off. Oh, my hair, okay. You know, I really wanted it to come off. Oh. I really wanted it to come off in one piece, but you know, this is a good amount. So the rest of it just must not be fully dry. Yeah. So, yeah. This isn't fully dry up top. Let's see. Hey guys, so I've gone ahead and let the kind of leftover pieces dry for another 5 minutes with the fan. So I'm going to try and, yeah, get the leftover pieces off. I want to see what it says about, once completely dry, gently peel from the edges. Rinse off any excess with warm water. Okay, so if I can't get it all off, I'm just going to go ahead and rinse my face. I feel like some people's results that I have seen, it comes off in one piece. Some people, yeah, I really wish this part would dry. Okay. Alright, I think I'm just going to go ahead and use my wet washcloth and, be right back. I'm just gonna go rinse my face off. Okay, so update, I went ahead and, it's dropping everything today. I went ahead and rinsed it off using warm water. With the directions, it doesn't say to use like a washcloth, but I tried rinsing it off using just water and it just wouldn't come off. So I wet a washcloth with warm water because it instructs to use the warm water, and I rinsed it off. Lastly, it says to follow with a moisturizer or toner. So I'm going to go ahead and use my Moisturize by Science serum, which I've been using lately and I love. But I just want to say a few things about the mask. In my opinion, my face feels maybe a little bit more hydrated. I mean, honestly, for the 20 to 30 minute wait with that mask, I liked it. I liked the feeling of it. If you don't have time for it, it's not that great. but I think it did hydrate my skin a little. I'm just a little bit confused on why it wants you to apply a moisturizer if it's supposed to be a hydrating mask. Why should I have to apply a moisturizer after a hydrating mask? Because typically I do have many peel-off masks that kind of leave a little bit of moisture, and you can just rub that in. But nonetheless, I have a little bit of redness that I didn't have when we began. This could just be from the rubbing. I hope yeah, let's just hope that goes away. So I'm going to apply moisturizer as it says. Okay, so final thoughts. Worth it or not for the I Do Care Sugar Kitten? Am I going to use up this jar? Probably. Am I going to buy it again for $24? No. I think there are much better, cheaper face masks that I buy at, oh, I just rocked my whole camera. I think there are much better, like, cheaper face masks that I can buy at Target or, love that dent. I think there are much better face masks that I can buy at Target that will leave my face more moisturized than this $23 item from Ulta. I do really like the holographic part of it, and maybe because they put whatever ingredients make it look like that, that took away from the hydrating, but overall I really think that it was fun to try. It was kind of a hassle to apply. 5 minutes seems like a bit long to apply a face mask. Usually my face mask takes like 2 to 3 minutes. So 5 minutes was pushing it, but I was hopeful. But once I took it off, you know, not feeling moisturized and only feeling moisturized now that I actually used a moisturizer. You know, so will I buy it again? No. Did I enjoy the process of seeing it dry and peeling it off? Yes. I wish that it all came off in one piece, but it didn't. Wedgie. So anyways, thank you guys so much for your love and support. All of the likes, the comments, the subscriptions, the new subscribers. It's been amazing. Be sure to go to my video titled Giveaway and College Makeup Tutorial. College makeup look. And enter that giveaway. All you have to do is like the video and comment done. That video giveaway closes June 1st. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching.